Good morning, class. Today I will continue line-wise explanation of the chapter from the diary of Annie Frank. That evening, after I would finished the rest of my homework, the note about the essay caught my eye. Annie Frank got extra homework by Mr. Casey, her maths teacher, and when she came home in the evening she finished the other homeworks, and after that she looked at the homework that was given by Mr. Casey. That was an extra homework to write an essay on the topic chatterbox. I began thinking about the subject while chewing the tip of my fountain pen. Annie Frank was thinking what should be written over this topic. At that time she was chewing the tip of her fountain pen. Anyone could ramble on and leave big spaces between the words. Ramble on means to write aimlessly or to talk aimlessly, and the topic was very difficult. So if anyone was given this topic, so he will write aimlessly and leave big spaces between the words. But trick was to come up with the convincing arguments to prove the necessity of talking. But Annie Frank want to write something that should be in the favor of talking. I thought and thought. Annie Frank thought deeply over the topic what she should write, and suddenly I had an idea. Suddenly an idea came in the mind of Annie Frank. I wrote 3 pages Mr. Keesing had assigned me and was satisfied. After thinking much, an idea came in the mind of Annie Frank. Then Annie Frank wrote 3 pages over the topic chatterbox, and I argued that talking is a student's trait. Trait means quality, and that I would do my best to keep it under control, but that I would never be able to cure myself of the habit since my mother talked as much as I did, if not more, and that there is not much you can do about inherited traits. Traits means quality. In her essay, Annie Frank had written that she wrote that talking is a good quality of a student and she will try her best to control it, but she cannot stop talking completely. She has inherited this quality from her mother. Her mother also talked very much, and from her mother she learned talking. So she will not stop talking completely, but she will try to control it. 3 pages she has written over the topic chatterbox. Mr. Keesing had a good laugh at my arguments. Whatever the arguments Annie Frank had given in her essay in the favor of talking is good quality of a student, Mr. Keesing laughed over that. But when I proceeded to talk my way through next lesson, he assigned me a second essay. This time it was supposed to be an incorrigible chatterbox. After 1 or 2 days, once again when Annie Frank was disturbing the class of Mr. Keesing by talking, once again he had given her another extra homework to write an essay on incorrigible chatterbox. Incorrigible means one who cannot be corrected. Chatterbox, one who talks very much. I handed it in and Mr. Keesing had nothing to complain about for 2 whole lesson. Annie Frank had written something over this topic also, and she had given that essay to Mr. Keesing. Mr. Keesing read that essay, and for 2 days he did not get any complaint, and whole 2 lessons he had taught, and Annie Frank did not disturb the class of Mr. Keesing. What Annie Frank had written over the second topic, an incorrigible chatterbox, it is not given in the book. However, during the 3rd lesson, he had finally had enough. Annie Frank, as a punishment for the talking in the class, write an essay entitled "Quack, Quack, Quack," said Mistress Chatterbox. 2 lessons he had finished. Annie Frank did not disturb the class of Mr. Keesing. But during the 3rd lesson, when Mr. Keesing had started 3rd lesson in mathematics, and then once again Annie Frank disturbed his class by talking. And this time Mr. Keesing had given her a very funny punishment. He had given her punishment to write an essay on the "Quack, Quack, Quack," said Mistress Chatterbox. The class roared when this essay was given by Mr. Keesing to Annie Frank. Whole class started laughing. There was much chaos in the class. I had to laugh too. Annie Frank also laughed when this essay was given by Mr. Keesing. Though I had nearly exhausted my ingenuity means proficiency, efficiency, on the topic of chatterbox. By 2 essays she had already written. Now she was much tired. And she had no genuinity. She had no originality. She has no any proficiency to write on the topic chatterbox.